Hello everyone, this is just going to be a quick video to show you some of the differences as we have switched to Office 365 instead of Outlook web app for online emails that you may check when you're not at school. Now when you do this, what you're going to do is, let's say you have the old one bookmarked. When you click on here, it's going to send you and show you a new link that you can use. Now my opinion is if you right click this and copy your link, or just select it all and copy it. Maybe then put it into a new tab and then bookmark this so it saves as an easy spot for you while you are on Chrome. And if you're on Chrome, you can just hit the star and that will bookmark this page. So this is the new way that you want to get in when you log into your webmail when you're not necessarily at school or whether you're using the web browser. What you can do then is click on your name. If you haven't done this before, you'll have to type in your username and password for ASD email and then click sign in. Now it's going to look slightly different for you, so I'm going to give you a quick little tour around. Now when you get in here, if it's your first time, it might send you to another screen, but you have a whole bunch of different, if you kind of go to the apps icon, you'll see a bunch of different types of things. Now the biggest ones that you're really going to use here is going to be your mail, your calendar, and then maybe your tasks. And that's the main ones that we just want to show you and make sure that you are aware of today. So here is my email. It functions very similar to a lot of other emails maybe you've used before, and it's a lot cleaner and easier of a look to use than the old one that we used in the past. To make a new email, you can just click here. You'll see that there are some other options in here if you're going to make a calendar invite. Otherwise, it looks the same. Now, if you have folders already set up in Outlook, like I do, you can click this little icon here and then it will expand the different folders that I've saved different emails in. Otherwise, you have some different settings up here if you want to change some different things, which we'll show you in other videos. But otherwise, you will see your emails, and if you want to switch between your calendar, you can click that icon, switch over, and then you can see your calendar as well in a much easier to view option. Otherwise, the same thing goes for your tasks and your contacts as well if you would like to do that. But let's just go back to our email as we've been looking before. And one of the major things I just want to make sure that you see is it will default to a way where all of your emails that are in conversations back and forth will be made into conversations. So when you click here, you'll see at the bottom that you're viewing these as conversations. So for example, Deb and I were emailing back and forth, and as I click on here, I can kind of show you how this works. Deb sent the first email, I replied, and then there's another one from Deb. But I can go through and see what I wrote and what she wrote instead of going into my sent and then back. So just so that might be a little bit of a change for you, that is one of the options with this, but this is what your new email will look like when you log in.